how you launch your product on Amazon makes the difference between massive profits and failure. So pay attention because I just launched this product today and I'm gonna share with you all the secrets that I use to get my product as many sales as possible from day one and to make sure that it gets to the top of the search results. Because the way that Amazon works is the products that show up at the top of the search results get most of the sales. In fact, this is a graph of how many sales the products get depending on where the product shows up in the search results. And as you can see, the product at the top of the search results gets by far most of the sales. And the second, third, and fourth product gets less. And it's actually exponential. The top product is gonna get the most sales, so you wanna do whatever it takes to get your product to the top of the search results. And the way to do this is to get as many sales as possible from day one, and ultimately to get as many 5-star reviews as you can within the first few weeks. Amazon's gonna see this, and it's gonna put your product up higher in the search results. And what's gonna happen, because you're higher in the search results, you're gonna get more sales naturally, and then Amazon's gonna continue to put you higher and higher in the search results, and this is gonna snowball into massive success. And there are 7 things that I did to make sure that my products would get as many sales as possible from day one. And number 7 is something that I've never talked about on this YouTube channel before, so make sure you stay till the end of the video for that. But before I get into that, if you wanna buy this product and try it out, we do have a discount for the next week only. There's a link in the description. You can go there, buy the product, and hopefully if you like it, you'll leave a review. And the product that we launched is a high caffeine tea. In fact, it's the highest caffeine tea in the world. It has 200 milligrams of caffeine and 100 milligrams of L-theanine. This is known as the limitless stack because you get the energy from the caffeine, and the L-theanine helps to stabilize it so you don't get those caffeine jitters. So if you want to try out the product and help support this channel, make sure to click the link in the description because this discount is only going to last a limited time. Now let me share with you the most important principle to launching a product that nobody talks about. A lot of the people that are Amazon gurus, they talk about how to use all these tactics and tricks to get your product ranked higher up in Amazon. But most of them don't know what I'm about to share with you. And this book right here is the Bible of how to actually use internet marketing techniques to properly launch a product online. And one of the main principles from this book is that it's all about the buildup. It's all about the hype. When you're going to launch something and you're looking to get a lot of sales, as many sales as possible from day one, you need to spend weeks, if not even months, building up the hype for the product so that when you open up sales, as many people are going to be ready and excited to buy your product as possible. And that's what I've been doing on this channel for the last month. I've been documenting every single step of starting this Amazon business. I've done videos on this channel on how I found the product, how I found a manufacturer, how I did all the legal things. Every single step of starting this business, I've been documenting on this channel. And part of the reason I've been doing that is so that you can get the benefit of watching step by step how it's done. But the other reason why I've been documenting this is to get people hyped up because this is a really cool product that we're going to be launching. And a lot of people watching these videos are also going to be interested in having more energy. And this is the perfect product for having more energy. In addition to that, I've had Willem start building a tribe, which is one of the principles from this book. I'm gonna talk about in depth how to build a tribe in step number 3. And for those of you that don't know, Willem was a student in my Amazon FBA program, and I decided to pick a random student from my program to partner with on this product to prove that Amazon FBA still works. So I found this idea for a product and I partnered with Willem, and he was the one that actually implemented all the steps to get this product ready to launch. And if launch is the Bible for how to launch a product on the internet, this book, Influence, is probably the most important book that every single marketer, internet marketer, and that you should read if you're looking to influence people to buy your products. And there's 6 principles that they talk about in this book that you can use to influence people to buy your products or pretty much do whatever you want. And one of the principles that we're going to be using during this launch, as I already mentioned, is scarcity. When things are scarce, it forces people to take action. And so that's why we're doing a discount for our product for the first week. You need to light a fire under your customers' butts to make them actually go to Amazon and buy your product. And that's one of the things that we're doing. And that's why for my Amazon FBA program, where I teach people my method for creating a passion product and selling it on Amazon, I only have it open for a limited time. In fact, I only open up this program for registration a week every few months. And I know that a lot of people don't understand why I do that. They think if I have this program opened up all the time that I would get more sales, but it's actually not true. When you make it so something's only available for a limited amount of time, people need to make a decision, and it actually motivates them to make the decision more. And my Amazon FBA program is actually closed right now, but if you want to get on the wait list for the next time that I open it, I'll put a link to that in the description down below. The second most important thing that you need to know when launching a product on Amazon is that it's all about keywords, and you need to do proper keyword research. Keywords are the things that people type into Amazon when they're searching for a product. So for instance, with this product, we know that if someone types in high caffeine tea, we want to try to get to the top of the search results. And Amazon is just a search engine, but in this video, I'm explaining explaining how the algorithm works so that you can game the system and get your product to the top of the search results. Because as I mentioned earlier, the product that's at the top of the search results when someone types in a keyword and hits search is the product that's going to get the most sales. But not all keywords are equal. Some things people search for a lot more often than other things. And certain search phrases or keywords are more competitive than others. So we did an analysis on what keywords we think we could get to the top of the search results on that have the most possible searches, which means the most possible people that are going to buy our product. And to do this, you can use tools like Helium 10's magnet tool. And I did a previous video last week where I talked in depth how we did keyword research for our product. But if you are interested in Helium 10, I have a discount code in the link down below in the description. And once you know what keywords you want to rank for, you're going to put those keywords in your title, in your bullet points. You're also going to want to encourage people that are going to be buying your product to search for those keywords in Amazon and then scroll through the different search results to find your product and buy it. This is called search, find, buy. And this is technically against Amazon's terms of service, so I would recommend proceeding with caution with the search, find, buy. They recently said that it's absolutely banned, but I still know that a lot of people are doing this. And so what I would do is I would encourage people that are going to buy our product to go to Amazon and search for highest caffeine tea, high caffeine tea, or even energy tea, which are the main keywords that we're going after, and then to go through all the different products, and it might be on the second page even, to click on our product and buy our product. What happens is that Amazon then sees that someone searched for high caffeine tea, went through all the listings, bought our product, and Amazon's now going to want to put our product higher up in the search results because it sees that when people search for high caffeine tea, they go through and they buy our product. So the algorithm wants to make it easier for people to find our product. So if you really want to help out the channel, you can go to Amazon, search for one of these terms, scroll through all the results, find Rocket Tea, buy the product, and make sure to leave a review a couple weeks after you purchase the product. And the third thing that we did to launch this product is we built a tribe. And this is the most important thing that I've never heard an Amazon guru talking about. And this is the reason why AJ was able to do over $500,000 in sales in his first year selling his product on Amazon. He built a tribe using social media. He created TikTok videos, his videos went viral, and then people started following him and loved the content that he was making, so that when he launched his product on Amazon, of course, his tribe was gonna go support him. They bought a bunch of his cocktail cards, they left reviews, and it ended up leading to a positive cycle where he got more sales and more reviews, and now he's by far the best-selling product in his category. We're hoping to do something similar with Rocket Tea, but to be completely honest, I would say that we did not do as good of a job at this as I would like. Willem did do a little bit of social media and TikTok, but he kept hitting roadblocks because he felt like he needed to have the product. And I personally don't think that that should stop you from doing social media. Even if you don't have the product in your hands, you can still do all kinds of things to promote your product. In fact, AJ didn't have the product when he first started his TikTok, and he was still able to get momentum. That being said, moving forward, our strategy on TikTok is going to be giving people samples of the tea, watching them drink it, and then coming back maybe a couple hours later and seeing how they feel. And I will say that if the product fails, it's going to be because we didn't do a good enough job growing a tribe. And this is my fault. I didn't stress this enough to Willem, how important this is. So please at home, pay attention. If you're going to be launching a product on Amazon, build a tribe first so that when you launch your product from day one, you're going to get as many sales as possible. Now, even though he didn't do as good of a job building a tribe as I would like, I think that I was able to build a little bit of a tribe by all the people that were watching these YouTube videos, because I know I've already talked to a lot of people that have been watching these videos on my channel. They're going to go buy the product, support the product, leave a review and all that. So even though he didn't do as good of a job building a tribe as I would like, I will say that he did bring a lot of his friends and family into a Facebook group and also got their emails. So he did build a little bit of a tribe through his existing network. And once you start building a community, you're going to want to get them into a Facebook group or a Discord. And this is another one of those things that no Amazon guru is talking about, but it's hugely impactful, because if you can get people into a Facebook group, what's going to happen is they're going to start creating community. And this is going to establish social proof for you, because people that are interested in your product are going to see that there's other people that are also interested. And this creates what's called social proof, which is another trigger from the book Influence. As humans, we like to buy things that are already popular, where there's social proof, meaning that other humans have approved of the thing that we're going to buy. This is why when we go to Amazon, we like to buy the product with the most 5-star reviews or if we're deciding between different restaurants, we'll want to go to the one that has the longer line. We'll assume that the one that has the longer line is actually better, even though it'd be more convenient to go to the one with the shorter line. By using the Facebook group or a Discord service, you're also going to create commitment and consistency. Because one of the things that Willem did when creating this product is he would ask questions to the community and say, hey guys, what do you think the name should be? And people would respond and say what they think the name for the product should be. Originally, the name that Willem had for this product was Rocket Chip Tea, but people said, you know what, the idea of Rocket Tea would be a lot better. And the principle of commitment and consistency says that if people support something, they're going to continue supporting it. So by getting people to give feedback and give their energy into this product, he was able to get people to be committed to the idea that this product should succeed. So when he goes to launch it, they're going to want to see this product succeed because they helped to create it. The fifth thing we did to launch this product was creating an email sequence to hype up and build up this product so that as many people would want to buy the product from day one. And the way we did this was a month before the product was launched, we sent out an email letting people know that it was going to be coming in a month. And then as the product launch got closer, we started emailing a little bit more frequently. And for the last week or so, we probably sent out 4 or 5 different emails letting people know that it was going to be launched today, September 20th. And we're going to continue to send out emails up until the discount ends. And as I mentioned, we're going to have this product discounted for the first week. And we're going to probably send out another 5 to 7 emails. And if you want to see the exact emails that we're sending out to make sure that people know about the product being launched and to make sure that they actually go and buy the product, you can click on the link down below to join the email list for Rocket Tea to see all those emails. The sixth thing we're doing to launch this product, and this is a way to guarantee that your product will be at the top of the search results from day one, even if you don't have any sales, even if you don't have any reviews, and this is PPC. PPC stands for pay per click. This is a type of advertising where you pay Amazon every time someone clicks on your ad. And so this will allow you to get your ad shown at the top of the search results, and you just pay Amazon $1 or so every time someone clicks on your ad. And this is a great way to let Amazon know that your product should show up at the top of the search results. Because, for instance, let's say that I told Amazon that I want to show up at the top of the search results every time someone searches for high caffeine tea. So Amazon puts our ad at the top of the search results, and then Amazon starts seeing that people click on our ad and they buy our product. Amazon's gonna know that our product should rank higher in the organic search results. And organic search results means the search results that are not paid. And early on, when you first launch a product, Amazon doesn't want to take a chance on putting your product at the top of the search results. So you need to show Amazon that our product actually deserves to be at the top of the search results, that if it's at the top of the search results, people are gonna click on it and they're gonna purchase our product. And one way to do this is to pay them a little bit of money through Amazon PPC. And before I get into the seventh thing that we did to launch this product, and this seventh thing is something that I've never talked about on this channel before. This is something that we're doing for the first time with Rocket Tea, so make sure to pay attention. But before I get into that, I'm actually going to be releasing a video where I go in depth and talk about how we did Amazon PPC for Rocket Tea in just 2 days. So make sure to subscribe to get that video. And I'll also be doing a video on this channel going in depth and sharing the honest results from the first couple of weeks of launching this product in a few weeks. So make sure to come back to this channel and see the results of how Rocket Tea actually did. But now let's get into the seventh thing that we did to launch this product. And this principle is one of those things that you absolutely need to do if you're launching a product, and that's do anything that you can to get as many sales and reviews as possible. Willem's actually gonna go out into the streets and go to random strangers and basically say, hey, if you buy this product on Amazon, I'm gonna give you $20, and then he'll get the contact info from those people and follow up with them in a couple weeks and ask them to leave a review. Don't be afraid to get creative. Do whatever it takes to get as many sales as possible. And even though technically it's against Amazon's rules to get friends and family to buy your product and leave reviews, most Amazon sellers that I know do this. As long as you've never logged on with your Amazon seller account to the same Wi-Fi that one of your friends or family has logged on to their Amazon buyer account, you're pretty much safe. Amazon's not gonna know if the person that's buying your product is your friend or your family. Another thing you can do is go up to people at work or acquaintances and ask them if they can buy your product. And then in exchange, you'll give them 100% of the money back that they spent on the product, plus maybe like a $5 gift card or something like that as a thank you for their time. So do whatever it takes to get as many sales for your product as possible. And again, if you wanna support the channel, click right here, go buy Rocket Tea, and then once you get the product, wait a couple days and leave a review. If you like me doing these videos where I show you how I launch products, it would help out a ton if you support the channel, support the product by buying it, leaving a review, and then I'll show you the honest results in a couple weeks so you can see how this process goes. So guys, click here to buy the product, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching.